we are going to start bubble wrap printing. Okay, Nathan, look here. So what you have to do, you have to just take that object and you have to show me your finger. Just press it like this. Okay, press it like this. Okay, chalo, start. Take this. Take. I will give you colors. Okay, so that you can start pressing. Okay, children. Now give it to. Yes. Here. Hold like this. Yes. Nice. Nice. Yes. Wait. I will give you. I will give you two. Wait. Come on. Hold and press like this. Yes. Like this. Yes. I will give you.
Yes.
Chalo, press it. Okay, you press this one. I will give you. I will give you. Wait. Come on, start pressing lightly. You like it?
Yeah.
Yes.
And
Wait.